our model has been created. This is the solution, HR management solution. In this solution, you can see there is a model in the square bracket. See, our model name is always stated in the square bracket. Okay, HR management model. In that model, we have a project called HR management project. Okay, I think someone is asking.
Yeah, Arjun.
Tell me.
Yeah, actually, I was when you were creating a project, then there was an option for creating the package. So you had mentioned that the three options are mandatory. Suppose I'm creating an extension for HR module, then do I need to choose some HR related package from the list so that that particular extension will be deployed to HR only? And why these
You
three
can say
options were, and
these three are
why this,
mandatory.
why actually?
That's what I'm trying to explain that. Okay, just mute your mic. I'll explain you right now. Okay, so I have selected three models as a referenced packages, right? Like application foundation, application platform, and application suite. Okay, now what is our model name? HR management model, right? We have created a model called HR management model. Okay, now go to the view menu. There is a application explorer. Now this is AOT, application object tree. This is classic view. Now I'm going to open this AOT in a model view. Just let me click on the model view. Now it is turned into the model view. Now you can see it is the model view. Now what is the model we have created? HR management model, right? Now you can scroll down, see here, HR management model. Now when you expand the HR management model, again you can see the mini AOT. Mini AOT. Each and every model has their own application object tree. What are the models we have selected as a referenced package? Application foundation, right? Application foundation. I mean, in this application foundation, there are a lot of things will be there here. Again, application suite. In this also, we have a lot of things. Application platform. In this also, we have a lot of things. All these things like this one, application foundation, these three we have selected as a referenced package for HR management model, right? Whatever the objects already there inside these models, we can directly use it in our HR management model. That's what I have selected. See, for example, let me open the application suite, data types, for example, base enums. For example, I just want to use some base enum called account order in my HR management model. Directly, I can use it simply. No need to create again. Suppose anything if I want to use, for example, there is a tables. There is a tables. Suppose if I want to customize or if I want to use some tables in this particular application, so directly I can use it because I have selected this application suite as a referenced model, referenced package. But here, for example, if you go to the bank types model, in this bank types model, I cannot use it. I cannot use it because I have not selected this as a referenced package. Bank types, or for example, there is a personal management model is there. In personal management model, there is some tables are there. When you right click on the table, for example, personal loan table is there. In personal loan table, there is an option called create extension. You can see create extension. I cannot create extension for this table because why? We have not selected this personal management model as a referenced model to my HR model. That is the reason I cannot create a extension to this particular table. Okay, let's go and see in the application suite. In application suite or platform or anything, no problem. For example, any table, see here, create extension is enabled. You can see there is a create extension option is an enabled mode, because you have selected this application foundation as a reference package. You already selected, so that you can able to customize that tables. You can add something in that tables, you can use it, you can do anything. But remaining models you cannot do anything. For example, there is a fleet management model is there. In fleet management model, there are so many tables are there. For example, there is a FM customer table is there. See, it is a disabled. Suppose in future I want to use this table, I want to do some customization in this FM customer table. What we need to do again? I need to again, I should take this model as a referenced model, referenced package to this particular HR management model. How to do that? I mean, how to update this model. Now I want to extend, I want to create some extension, or I want to customize this table, FM customer table. But right now it is not possible, because you can see create extension option is in disable mode. I cannot do anything on this table. I cannot add something. I cannot write any piece of code. Now what I need to do, again, go to the Dynamics 365 option. Just a second. Go to the Dynamics 365 option, model management. There is a update model parameters. Previously we have used this option to create a new model, but now I am updating the model parameters. Click on update model parameters, and now you need to select your HR management system. See here, HR management model. Okay, now click on next. Now you need to select what is the model, fleet management, right? See here, fleet management. I'm selecting this model. Next. Now you can see we have added fleet management also here. Finish. So now we have taken 4 models HR man. Now let's expand the packages to HR management model, same FM customer table. Now you can see option FM customer table is a enable mode. Now you can modify anything, create extension. Now you can modify, you can write code, you can add some fields, you can add anything.
Arjun,
This
your
is
voice
called
is breaking
extension development. So we have 2 types of development approach: extension development, overlaying. Overlaying in the that brief. Guys,
Arjun, your
for
voice is
other people also
breaking.
same, or for other
Yeah, your
people
voice
are
is breaking.
clear?
And also your video is like very lag is there. So your voice is going up front and your video is it's like very far behind.
Okay, now it is now anything.
Now it's fine, but could you repeat that?
Maybe network issue. Now it is okay. Now I have added a fleet management model, right? I have added fleet management model as a referenced model to my HR management model, like update model parameters, and I'm selecting HR management model here. Okay, click on next button, and here I have selected fleet management model. Now you're seeing fleet management model.
Yeah.
Click on next, and finally you can see we have added a fleet management model here along with your application foundation, platform, suite, and fleet management. Now click on finish. Now you can able to customize whatever the objects which is under the fleet management model, everything like address table or colors table or change type, any FM customer table. See here, there is a create extension option is enabled. Previously it is in disable mode because we have not taken as a referenced model, referenced package to the HR management model. Now we have taken a referenced package, so that is the reason now it is enabled. This option is enabled. Now you can able to customize this object. So here, I mean, our EOT can be classified into two types. One is classic view, second one is model view. Right now it is in model view. Now you can able to see classic view also. In classic view also, you can see FM customer table. Go to the data model, models, and FM customer table. If you go to the FM customer table, in the bracket, it will indicate this table belongs to which model. FM customer table belongs to fleet management model. In the bracket, it will show. Suppose if you go to the model view directly you can select from here in the model view option, so that you can directly, if you
Again, some voice problem is there. Might be network.
go the fleet management model there, I can see whatever the
Arjun, your voice is completely breaking. Hello. Hello.
Model.
There is complete distortion in your voice.
I can see in a single place here only direct. See, these are all these tables are all belongs to in management model.
Arjun, we missed that topic
Now
completely.
we are also creating one model called HR management.
Arjun,
Not created any
Arjun, can you
tables
hear me?
and created anything till now. So I will create.
Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now you can see this AOT. We can switch to a classic view and model view whenever you want. You can see in a classic view, so that all the tables we can able to see in a at a time, which is belongs to all the models. If I want to see all the models tables, all the model tables at a time, you can switch to a classic view. Suppose I want to see only particular model objects, you can switch to model view, so that you can able to see only particular model view objects when you expand the model. For example, if I expand the fleet management model, I can able to see only the fleet management objects like data types, models, codes, like user interface objects. Only I can able to see like this. This is like a mini AOT, which is belongs to a particular model.